In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows freezes or stops responding frequently. First thing you're going to do is simply go to Windows Update. Now, this is the first place because you need to check if there's updates and make sure you are updated to the latest version. So after you do this, you want to go here to the search bar and go to defragment and optimize drives. Click here, click on the C drive and click optimize. So wait for this process to finish, and then once it's done, you can just close this down. So now you want to go here and type task manager, and here go to startup apps and make sure you have little apps starting when your computer starts up, so this way it puts less GPU and less effort on your PC. Just make sure you disable them by clicking on disable. For example, this one is already disabled, this one is enabled. If you don't need this, just disable it. These are basically programs that automatically starts when you turn on your computer. So once you disable the unnecessary apps here, so now you want to go here, go to control panel and go to programs and features, and make sure you uninstall unnecessary softwares. So this way you can save up some space and make it like the GPU easier on your computer. So after you find software, just right click and uninstall. After you do this, you can now go to Windows Security, and here you want to make sure you regularly run scans to make sure there are no threats or viruses. To run a scan, just click quick scan or go here and click a full scan to run scan to check for viruses. And after this, you can just restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.